Hi. Okay, now we're talking about the jawline. Gonna try and define that a little more. So we're gonna use the flat side of our Gua Sha stone, the smooth side, just going right up under the jawline, anchor, and you're just pulling up to the ear, just right up under the jawline 3 to 5 times, and drain. And the next thing we're gonna do is use the heart-shaped part, and we're gonna sculpt it a little bit. So still going up under the jawline, anchoring gently up to the ear, and drain. And then the last thing we're gonna do is still use that heart shape, but coming up a little bit more and really defining that jawline. And drain. Remember to do both sides, and that's it.